Welcome guys once again. In this session we'll try to understand boundary value analysis, which is black box test design technique. We'll try to understand what is boundary value analysis first. Okay, so boundary value analysis is a black box test design technique, one of the black box test design technique, which is, you can say, that an extension of an equivalent partition. We have seen already equivalent partition. Okay, but can only be used when partition is in order. Okay, either number or sequential data. Means we can use boundary value analysis if there is a range. Okay, or you can say the numeric value. Okay, on that we have a range, then we can perform this boundary value analysis. Then again, the minimum and maximum value, first and last value of the partition are its boundary value. Okay, example we'll take. Okay, we'll take another example. So suppose boundary is something, you can say that, right? If range is we'll see the example. Let's see with example. Suppose I have example, the same value. Okay, it should be, range will be 20 to 50. Okay, so we'll perform three different partition equivalent using equivalent partition. So either age will be less than 20, age will be greater than 50, and then what will happen? Either it will be between 20 to 50, right? There will not be any other range, right? Now in this one, we'll see first two value boundary value analysis, then we'll see three value boundary value analysis. Okay, so again I have written some here theory part. So black box testing technique use this boundary value black box test design technique is used to check the error at the boundaries of an input domain. So if we have input with respect to boundary like range, then we can apply boundary value analysis. So boundary value analysis mainly focus on the testing both valid and invalid input parameter for a given range of a software component. Okay, so we have three different partition. Now we need to apply the boundary value. Okay, so I need to take two value from each boundary. So I have taken 19, then 20, then 50 and 51. So so this age is greater than and equal. So equal I have taken 20, right? And greater than and equal to 50, so I have taken 50 also, and greater also 51. Here also 19. So there are four possible test data, right? So in two value boundary value analysis, if we'll go for three value boundary value analysis, then I need to check for previous, next, middle. Okay, so this for the same partition, let's see how it will be. So a plus minus 1, b plus minus 1. So a and b is the range. Okay, so if you'll see here, what is that? So if less than 20 and greater than 20 means 19, 20, 21, then 50 is the boundary, then 49, 50, 51. So if suppose a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 50, for this boundary I need to check for a plus minus 1, and for this we need to check b plus minus 1. So total 3 value for each boundary. So now total 6 data will be there. How much? Okay, 6 test data will be there, right? So we'll see the example boundary. So invalid test cases minimum value 1, invalid test cases maximum value 1, and valid test cases will be what? 21, 22, 65, 64 for this particular range. So now this is the another example. If range will be between 21 to 65. Okay, so suppose a is equal to 21 and b is equal to 65. So this is very basic formula for test design technique boundary value analysis, where a plus minus 1 and b plus minus 1. So a plus and minus 1 means 20 plus 1 and 20 minus 1, 21 minus 1 and 21 plus 1. Okay, so 21 minus 1 20, 21 plus 1 22, and then 20. So a plus minus 1, b plus minus 1. Simple. So this will be the valid test cases and this will be the invalid test cases. So very simple. Okay, this is, so we need to just check for A. Okay, let me make it bullet. A, okay, A plus minus, A plus and A minus. Okay, A minus. Okay, similarly we need to check for other value also. B, okay, I need to take B, then B plus, and then B minus. So suppose a range of value is, I have explained here. Suppose a range of value is, I'm giving one more example, between 2 to 6. Okay, so the test data will be 2 minus 1 1. I'll just write here, test data will be 1, then it will be 2 plus 1 3, that is one boundary. Then another boundary is 6 minus 1 5, then 6, and then 7. That's all about boundary value analysis. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.